Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export a video in mp4 format at 4K resolution. First off, what I'll do is I'll import this video clip into my media pool. The crucial thing to remember here is you want to make sure that the video that you're importing is recorded in 4K format. I went to the zoo earlier today and then recorded this in 4K. Because this video was recorded in a different frame format than my project settings, DaVinci Resolve will ask me if I want to change the frame format, and then I go ahead and click change. So before doing any editing, I want to make sure that my project settings are set to the appropriate settings. I want to make sure that the timeline format is set to Ultra HD, which is 4K. And then this is important because when I go ahead to export the video, it'll be in the proper format. So I'll drag this video onto my timeline. I won't do any editing for this video, and then now I'll go ahead and click on the Deliver tab. And in this scenario, am going to export this to YouTube. So it's fairly standard, but the two things that you'll need to change is click on YouTube and then change the format to MP4, and then also change the resolution to Ultra HD. And then from here on out, it's a simple export. So create the file name and then add to the render queue. And then I'll go ahead and hit render, and then it'll render out to 4K.